श्रीगणेशाय नमः। नारद उवाच प्रणम्य शिरसा देवं गौरीपुत्रं विनायकम्। भक्तावासं स्मरेन् नित्यं आयुः कामार्थसिद्धये।
प्रणम्य शिरसा देवं गौरीपुत्रं विनायकम्। भक्तावासं स्मरेन् नित्यम् आयुः कामार्थसिद्धये।
प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं, तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकं, लम्बोदरं पञ्चमं च षष्ठं विकटमेव च।
सप्तमं विघ्नराजेन्द्रं धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमम्।
नवमं भालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम्, एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननम्।
द्वादशैतानि नामानि त्रिसन्ध्यं यः पठेन्नरः, न च विघ्नभयं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिकरं प्रभो।
विद्यार्थी लभते विद्याम्,
धनार्थी लभते धनम्,
पुत्रार्थी लभते पुत्रान्,
मोक्षार्थी लभते गतिम्।
जपे गणपतिस्तोत्रं षड्भिर्मासैः फलं लभे, संवत्सरेण सिद्धिं च लभते नात्र संशयः।
अष्टभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यश्च लिखित्वाय समर्पयेत्। तस्य विद्या भवेत् सर्वा गणेशस्य प्रसादतः।
इति श्रीनारदपुराणे सङ्कष्टनाशनं नाम श्रीगणपतिस्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम्।
That was our Gauris creating Sri Ganeshas. Now let us prepare for the 4 petals meditation of Muladhara Chakra given by Sri Mataji herself in her book The Creation. Muladhara, as we all know, has 4 petals. Please, can everyone come into the meditation mode, please? Please, please, please. The first petal goes downwards. The second one goes to the left. The third goes to the right. And the fourth petal goes upwards. Each petal has 3 arrows each. The innermost part, the middle part, and the outer part. We first keep our attention on the first petal, innermost part. Listen to the affirmation with full attention. After the affirmation is complete, we bring our attention to the Sahasrara. Then again we go to the Muladhara on the middle portion of the first petal. Listen to the affirmation and go to the Sahasrara and so on. It's a very short meditation and it's very effective. Let's all pray to Sri Mataji, who is Sri Ganesha. First petal, which goes downwards in the front, innermost part. Sri Mataji, please give me harmony please give me harmony, Mother. Middle part, Shri Mataji, please give me balance. Outermost part, Shri Mataji, please give me sensitivity to innocence. The second petal, which goes to the left, the innermost part, Mother, please give me mastery over evil enticements like lust, greed, temptations. The middle part, Shri Mataji, please give me victory over evil spirits inside me and hovering around me. Outermost part, Mother, please give me spontaneous victory over evil spirits hovering around other people. The integration of all the parts of the second petal gives us confidence in one's own divinity. We come to know that we are divine. The third petal, which goes to the right, the innermost part, Mother, please make me completely humble to you, to God. Shri Mataji, you are my God. You are my Mother. You are Shri Adi Shakti. Please make me humble to you, Shri Mataji, at all times. Middle portion, Mother, please give me innate wisdom. Please develop my wisdom, the wisdom which is inside me. The outermost part, Mother, please make me one with pure divine knowledge and truth. The libraries of divine knowledge be one with me. The integration of all the parts of the third petal gives total awareness and witnessing power, total knowledge of scriptures and of the truth. The fourth petal, which goes upwards, innermost part, Mother, please give me fearlessness. Make me brave. Shri Mataji, मुझे वीर बनाना, मुझे आपका वीर पुत्र बनाना, मुझे आपकी वीर पुत्री बनाना. श्री माता जी, मुझे वीर बनाना. The second part, the middle part, Shri Mata ji, please give me collective consciousness. And the outermost part, Mother, please establish Vishwa Nirmal Dharma within me, in my body, my mind, in all my 5 koshas. Let Vishwa Nirmal Dharma flow through me and reach the whole world, penetrate into the whole wide world. The integration of all the parts of the fourth petal gives embodiment of Dharma, seeking nectar of existence as divine instruments of the truth.
So for today's theme, we should say that we have to achieve our innocence within ourselves and feel the innocence of the Virat. The question of Ganesha Virata, we can say Virata Ganesha, where in the Virat, the innocence we have to feel. So that we become innocent, our sins are washed off, that we are cleansed by that innocence, so that this I-ness is lost from you, this original sin is washed away from us, and we become that beautiful being who is the proud child of God and who is the prize of this creation. May God bless you.
त्वमेव साक्षात् श्रीविराट् गणेश साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। Ah